guys, I'm going to show you how to make the iced coffee that I drink every morning. It's the best iced coffee, and I learned this several years ago, and this is what I do for school every day. So I'm going to show you. So I bought this off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It's a Bodum French Press, and I'll just show you what I do. So I went ahead and measured out about 1 cup of coffee grounds. It doesn't really matter what kind. I usually just use whatever I have. And then after I take the cup of coffee grounds, I already measured this out, and it's about 4 cups of water. So it's a 1-to-4 ratio. And then I take a spoon, I mix it together really good. And then this is gonna sit in my fridge overnight. Once this sits in my fridge overnight, I will press it out. So it comes with 2 lids. This is the lid that you put in it, and I'm just gonna let this seep. I'm just gonna let that set, and then I'll show you in the morning how I make my iced coffee. Okay, it's the next morning, and I'm gonna show you what I do in the morning. So I'm gonna take this lid off, and again, this is in the description if you want to purchase one, but I think they were around $15. So this is a plunger, and so you slowly plunge all the coffee grounds to the bottom. You don't want to go fast on this part. And then all the good stuff will come to the top. Perfect. Okay. So once this is plunged, I'm going to show you 2 different types of coffee that I make. I'm going to make one for my husband and one for myself. So the first one I'm going to make is a latte, okay? And this is what you typically get at Starbucks. So that is filled with milk. And this is a really strong brew coffee. So it's almost like an espresso that you're putting in top. And then top it off with the coffee. And then he likes just caramel syrup. So this turns into a caramel latte. Okay. I purchased these cups on Amazon. I'll put a link for that in the description as well, so that when I go to school, I can just toss it. Okay, so this is his latte. Yum, so good. And then, the one I like to make, I like to just do a cold brew. And then I just take a little bit of half and half, splash it on top. And this is how I drink my iced coffee. So good. Okay, enjoy.